Can substances in cannabis kill the coronavirus, or can using cannabis make the condition worse? There have been several claims recently, both pro and con, but the truth is that we do not know. But we have good reason to investigate this issue. The coronavirus has a gene structure similar to HIV, the virus that causes AIDS. There have been no studies on the effects of THC or CBD on the coronavirus, but there should be. It is premature for anyone to discount this possibility because of the following facts. Before the coronavirus outbreak, several studies reported the amazing antiviral effects of THC and CBD. MRSA, the flesh-eating virus, is resistant to antibiotics. However, they've discovered that THC and CBD kill this virus. Studies also concluded that THC and CBD have antiviral effects against the herpes virus. Studies also concluded that substances in cannabis can help fight malaria. Now this is significant. 2 years before this corona outbreak, it was reported that THC and CBD had antiviral effects against this disease. Yet now the government wants to fast-track a malaria drug to treat the coronavirus. If it is possible that these substances in cannabis can fight malaria, it is conceivable that these substances could kill the coronavirus. However, due to cannabis prohibition, there have been no studies, so we do not know. Studies have been blocked by our government that would investigate the medicinal effects of this plant. Therefore, we do not know if THC or CBD kills the coronavirus. However, the U.S. government has applied for a patent on CBD as an antiviral. On this patent application, submitted in 2018, we read, "To cannabis, cannabinoid derivatives are the pharmaceutically acceptable salt thereof that may be used in a pharmaceutical composition for preventing and treating pathogenic viruses." Before this corona outbreak, studies indicated that CBD and THC were super antiviral agents, and the U.S. government filed a patent on these substances, but did not investigate. It is possible that THC and CBD are unique antiviral agents because it has been discovered that cannabis DNA itself is viral. Possibly this was incorporated into this plant as a defensive response to these viruses. Regardless, the genetic structure of this plant could make it a potent weapon against the coronavirus. The only problem is that the Schedule I status of this plant has prevented clinical trials into this issue. And that is not the worst part. The U.S. government has known about the antiviral effects of cannabis for over 40 years and have done nothing about it. In 1977, the National Institute of Drug Abuse released Monograph 14, Marijuana Research Findings. This report revealed over 40 years ago that scientists knew that cannabis had antiviral effects, but due to its illegal status, no research has ever been performed. There was plenty of time for the government to test and approve a drug made from cannabis as an antiviral agent. Instead, research was denied, And this is merely one of the many life-threatening illnesses that was reported in 1977 that cannabis could treat. Discover how many illnesses your government knew over 40 years ago that could be treated with this plant. Go to cbdscienceportal.com and watch the video. Learn the truth.